Hello, this is Amanda with the Sewing Rocket. In this video, I'm going to show you how to put together our free 3D printed wool comb. Our design features a nice ergonomic handle. There's only two parts, the handle itself and the part that holds the nails. You want to 3D print these at 200 degrees Celsius with a bed temperature of 60. And ours were printed out of PLA, although there's many other plastics that you can use. The only thing you'll need outside of your 3D printed pieces are sinker nails, and these are 2 7/8. We'll have a link down below on where you can get them. They are vinyl coated, which I don't think should pose an issue, but if there are any issues, please reach out to us and we can redesign these for other nails. The first thing you want to do is remove the supports underneath your overhang. If you're new to 3D printing, these are designed to be removed after the parts are printed. The nail portion of your comb is designed to go right here in this slot. Our design features a nice ergonomic handle for you to hold on to that really encourages you not to bend your wrist. So the only thing you need to do is slide your sinker nails into each and every hole. There are 2 rows of 10, and so you'll have a total of 20 nails that make up your comb. You do want to make sure that you purchase enough nails so that you can properly fill your comb up. Depending on how many combs you want, most people probably want 2, so you'll need a total of 40 nails to complete the 2 combs. This is the most tedious part of creating your comb. Outside of waiting the 8 hours it does take to print both pieces. And there you go. And so this is where the fibers are combed through. And the last thing you have to do is simply turn your comb upside down and slide the piece in. And you want to make sure that the heads of the nails are pressed down into these little slots so that they don't bump into the bottom of your comb. And you do want to take your time and slowly just press this inwards, making sure you don't damage the bottom. It's a pretty tight fit between the 2 pieces to make sure that there's a really solid fit in between the 2. And after you've slid in your part, this is exactly how it should look. It should not slide out, and it actually stays in there pretty nicely. So looking forward to all the fibers that everyone combs. Please reach out, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this video.